All right, short and condensed version. Jamie Thomas, the pro skateboarder who you probably know from Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 through 4, etc., started Zero Skateboards. He launched a new shoe company called Warsaw, which is like, I thought it was skate shoes, and he said it's like shoes you can skate in. They're really good skate shoes. We cut them in half on the channel. One of the top 3, I think, that I've ever done. Cool. Super nice. Actually uses really good materials. This whole thing was like, we actually use premium materials, and it turns out they do, and they are really good. So he got in contact with us and was like, hey, do you guys want to do a collab? And we're like, yep, that would be sick. And so he had this concept going.